blanket. Wait, but let's first we have to fall asleep. Hi guys, back to normal mode. Why? Because we almost finished actually.
Can you lose us? Now I'm gonna take the green one actually. Also died. What is wrong with my mommy? The tires with the wire got folding it out.
Look out, the stuff is not actually full.
Hey! It's not yet finished. What the heck?
I just put back on its place at least for 6 minutes.
Okay. If I'm finished,
I actually found the lug of the man.
oh yeah.
The lug! Wait, I didn't. How do you put this on?
Hey! What is doing?
Yeah, just saying if I were doing. Thank you. Guys, there's gonna be a part 2, so don't worry. If like anything happens,
They were
there's
for
gonna be a
the
part 2. Part 2.
Guys, look at our
The video's gonna end in any second, you see.